Hi everyone, we will get to our room tour video here in just a moment at Costa Beach Resort here in Vero Beach, Florida. First, we'll want to mention our Patreon and new YouTube channel memberships that we have available. For those of you that would like to help support our channel, you can go ahead and go to the description box below this video, choose one of those options, and for your monthly contribution, you will receive exclusive videos, live shows, and posts while actually helping support our channel. As always, we appreciate you, and now let's get to that room tour. Oh, hi. Do you want to give the room tour? Are we at one of our favorite places? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. We're back at Costa d'Este, one of our favorite resorts here in Vero Beach. Did I say that properly? Costa d'Este? Costa d'Este. There we go. Sorry, guys. It was a long flight. It was a long flight trying to get down here. We are back at Costa d'Este in Vero Beach, Florida. Have a little vacation at the beach. We're so excited. It's one of our favorite hotels. We're going to give you a room tour. We have a standard king room. Look at that bed. Does that not look so comfy? Oh my goodness. All right, we're going to come back to that in a second. First, we're going to show you here we have the temperature controls for the room. Light switches. All of the lights on and off. Over here on this fantastic counter space, you have your coffee maker and also all of your coffees with 2 complimentary waters. Amazing. Down here underneath that, hidden away, you have your little mini fridge right here. Excellent. And over on this side is the safe. Right on. Back over here where we just were is the closet. Very large. You also have a steamer, ironing board, luggage rack, lots of space as Ernie is demonstrating. Also, we should note this hotel is pet friendly. Hey, pet friendly, yay! All the doggos are welcome. Don't have to be a service dog. All doggos welcome to stay here. Additional fee does apply. No fee for service dogs. Love those robes. Those look cozy too. All right. Now, before we continue on here into the main room, we're going to check out the bathroom, which is over here on the left. Ernie's checking out the shower. So there's a nice little chair right here that you can sit down and have your little counter space here so you can do your makeup and things. Lots of counter space, sink, towels, all of the spa things you would need, your soaps, your lotions, tissues, waste bin, Ernie checking everything out, towels, so cute, toilet over here, and some beautiful artwork. Whoops, let's focus that, there we go. All right, and if we open the door here, got a couple of towel racks there, and then you have the gigantic shower with multiple shower heads. Amazing. And a cool bench. Amazing. All of your shampoos, conditioner, shower gel, all set to go. Awesome. Come back out. Head into the main room here. This is room 307, in case I didn't point that out when we came in. And this is a standard view room, but kind of got a little bonus. We kind of got a little bonus. Hang on for that. I love that artwork. Little mirror here. Other side of the bathroom, you have your iPad down here for controlling all the things. It is enabled with the voice activation. There you go. So that you can get your things as you need them during your stay. In-room breakfast, also available. And then TV, amazing. And another cool feature, a welcome glass of champagne received upon check-in. So, how cool is that? Give you a little welcome champagne. Start off your Christmas vacation right. Amazing. Cheers, everyone. Got another little bench over here with some drawers for storage. Good stuff. Phone in case you need to make any calls. Scan for in-room dining. Lamp with multiple USBs. Amazing. Regular plug. Awesome. Love it. All good. Now, should we talk about the view? Let's talk about the view. So, this is a standard room. But, what is this? That, my friends, is an ocean view. Standard view price, ocean view room. Check it out. If I can open the door. Hold on. I don't know how to do this. Oh, it's heavy. Wait, maybe it was open and I just locked it. Yep, that was what happened. Okay. What? A couple of chairs out here. Have some coffee. That is awesome.